Today we are talking about how do we compress files using the file manager? Compressing files in cPanel's file manager helps save space, organize files, and ease transfers. Supported formats include zip, tar, and gzip. Prerequisites 1. cPanel access for the domain. Step 1. Access the cPanel account with the credentials. Step 2. Choose File Manager listed under Files. Step 3. 1. Navigate to the folder containing the files you want to compress. 2. While holding down the Control key, click each file that you want to include in the compressed file. 3. Click the Compress button at the top right of the page. 4. On the Compress page, choose the compression format you would like to use, such as zip or tar, enter a name for the file, and then click Compress Files. Step 4. When the files have been compressed successfully, you'll see a success message that lists the zip file. We are constantly coming up with new ideas. Check our channel for upcoming videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe.